are going to learn the permutations. So, what is mean by a permutation? How many of you know? Do you know what is mean by a permutation? Simple thing. Permutation and combination is our topic. So, you need to know that what is mean by a permutation. Permutation is nothing but permutation is an arrangement of the in a definite order number of order items taken. Some are all at a time. If you take all, simple thing is permutation is nothing but only arrangement. Combination is nothing but selection and arrangement. That is different. Permutation is nothing but only arrangement. Already आपको दे दिया है. Suppose if it is given to you, I will show it to you. Through this easily you can understand. समझ में? Permutation is nothing but only arrangement. Combination is nothing but selecting and arrangement. So number of ways of selection also will be included. So permutations will be, if you are taking into consider, is it visible to you? Introduction to the permutations.
Yes, sir.
So here you see that 3 different colors are there. What we did till now, that is only actually. Till now, whatever we did, arrangement only. We are arranging. We arranged the things only. Because we arranged the numbers also there. Like that only. Here, if you want to arrange these 3 boxes, 3 different colors in 3 different boxes. How many different ways you can? That arrangement is only called as a permutation. That arrangement is only called as permutation. See here, the blue color, green color, yellow color. This is one combination, this is another combination. Just like a previous balls is taken, here boxes are taken. Both are same. Multiplication principle. So 6 different ways you will get. But this will be represented. Representation will be done in different way. Permutation can be represented in one notation will be given to you. So through that notation you will be able to write. And it is an easy task to you to the number of ways of arranging the things. So permutation is arrangement in a definite order of number of distinct objects taken. Some are all at a time. By taking some items are all at a time. So previously, if you take the one problem in the previous exercise, 5 digits are given to you. 9 digits are given. Sorry, 10 digits are given to you. Out of 10 digits, 3 digits only we are taken. All digits, by taking all digits also will be their problem. So what is that? Let us see here. So this is first box can be filled in 3 different ways. Second box can be filled in again 2 different ways, and third box can be filled in. So total number of the ways are 6 different ways you are getting. 3 into 2 into 1 you are getting. 3 ways, 2 ways and 1 way. Normally. Okay. Each one 2 ways. Then after, and each blank place can be filled in only one way. So first, yes, number of permutations of the 3 tiles is 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1. So number of permutations of n distinct tiles. N tiles if you are taking into consider. N boxes if you are taking. N into n minus 1 into. Repetition, whenever it is. Repetition if it is allowed. If the repetition is allowed. When the repetition is allowed. So first box can be filled in 4. Here 4 different colors are given to you. First tile can be filled in 4 ways. Second tile also can be filled in 4 ways. Third tile also can be filled in 4 ways. So 4 to the power of 3. So number of tiles given to you, so first place can be filled in 4P1 is nothing but 4. That is representation is, with that representation we are going to represent 4P1. Second place 3.
Sir,
yes.
सर 4P1 का मतलब क्या ये है क्या कि हम इन चारों कलर्स में से पहले वाले बॉक्स में सिर्फ एक ही पुट कर सकते हैं?
Yes. One place में we are placing in one place. We are placing in one place. Okay.
Okay, sir.
4 into 3 into 2. So total number of the permutations when the repetition is not allowed. See here, number of items are more here. Number of items are more. So 4 into 3 into 2. 4, 3 into 2. 24 ways you are going to. This is every time cannot be done in like that. So here theorem is there. Now number of permutations of n different objects. Here four colors and are taken at a time. Are only taken at a time. And that r should be less than the n, less than or equals to n. When they do not repeat is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into and so on n minus r plus 1, which is denoted by npr. It is represented by npr. Okay, so r spaces, always like the spaces only if you are taking, because you need to form the r object taken at a time. First place can be filled in n ways, second place can be filled in n minus 1 ways, third place can be filled in n minus 2 ways, like that n minus r plus 1 ways. समझ में आया? n minus 1. Next in the same way proceed कर ले तो n minus r. So total by using the multiplication principle you have to multiply them, and this is represented by npr. Is nothing but here n should be compulsory a natural number, and here you need to know about the factorial. With the help of the factorial also we are going to represent it. Factorial use करके represent करते हैं हम लोग. So when the repetition is not allowed, this one 4 into 3 into 2, directly you can take into consider if you know the formula of the factorial. Factorial use करके 4p3. This is 4p3, and 4p3 value how do you find out? How do you extract? I will explain to you on the board very clearly, so don't worry about that here. Yes, n is equals to 4, r is equals to क्या है इसमें? Spaces 3, r is equals to 3, isn't it? And number of arrangements are number of permutations. Number of arrangements is nothing but number of permutation. 4p3. 4p3 is equals to 24. So n into n minus 1 into, so 3 into 2 into 1 hai. So this is what 3 factorial. We can write it as a 3 into 2 into 1 as a 3 factorial. You can write n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 till the 1 can be written as 1 factorial. Sorry, n factorial. Factorial word I think you have learned. So we use that factorial symbol. Factorial is nothing but 3 लिखने के बाद side में एक number ऐसा लिखना है. So that representation is called a factorial. So that is nothing but from the 3 onwards all the numbers should be multiplied. And n factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 into and so on till the 1. And 0 factorial value is equals to 1, because definition is itself given that. So 0 factorial value to 0 into something should be taken, but n should be taken natural numbers. But defined as a 0 factorial from the factorial definition itself. Okay, that I will explain to you later. Now you see NPR is equals to.
सर
wait हाँ.
सर अगर मुझे कहीं पे दिया रहे 10 फैक्टोरियल, तो मैं तो उसको सर 10 इंटू 9 इंटू 8 इंटू 7 इंटू 6 इंटू 5 इंटू 4 इंटू 3 इंटू 2 तक ही लिख सकता हूँ ना?
सेम है ना, वो दोनों सेम है, उसमें
तो
अंतर
मतलब सर 1 तक ही मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा क्या?
1 तक नहीं, 2 तक लिख लिया तो आंसर तो सेम आ जाएगा ना. You will get. So now here, as per the definition of the permutation, what is NPR is equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on, n minus r plus 1. N minus r plus 1. And NPR is equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into. Here what you did here, n minus r factorial numerator में denominator में add and divide कर लिया. Then n minus r factorial can be written as c n minus r plus 1. इसमें ये नंबर से एक कम बोले तो n minus r है ना. 3 factorial बोले तो 3 into 2 into 1 डिक्रीज होता है जाते हैं. Like that here n minus every time 1 डिक्रीज हो रहा है. So इसमें से 1 कम बोले तो n minus r only. नेक्स्ट इसमें से 1 कम कर ले तो n minus r minus 1. Like that if you continue, ये n minus r factorial is written as n minus r n minus r. So from here onwards, if you observe properly, This you are going to get n factorial by n minus r factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial. So NPR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial. समझ में आया? So
हाँ सर.
if the repetition is allowed, n to the power of r. If the repetition is not allowed, NPR. If the repetition is allowed, n allowed NPR. Repetition is allowed means first place can be filled in n ways, second place can be filled in n ways, third place can be filled in n ways. Like that, r spaces are there means n to the power of r. You are going to get n to the power of r. So here that is permutation. When all the objects, different objects, if it is taken into consider. Permutation when all the objects are not a distinct object, that we will learn. Distinct object means same type of objects if it is there also. Suppose if you are taking that mathematics word is taken into consider. That we are going to learn in the next session. Now let us go for solving the exercise 7.2 problems based on these permutations. Okay. When the repetition is allowed and when the objects not distinct objects, same objects are there, not there, same objects not there, then in that situation what should be taken into consider? So that we will see in the next class. Based on that you are going to have the exercise 7.3. That and 7.3 exercise we will learn in the next class. First let us go for the exercise 7.2. Okay. So and before that you need to know about the factorial. The definition of the original definition of the factorial also, it is very factorial notation, and factorial notation can be done in different way. Not only exclamation mark से दिखाते हैं ना वो सिर्फ वही नहीं है, there will be another way also for the factorial notation. So what is meant by a factorial? The definition of the factorial, it is like this. Okay, n is a number, n factorial is nothing but it will be written as an exclamation mark will be written. It is r, you can write like this also, one L symbol will be written and inside the L symbol n will be written. It is also, it is not given in your textbook but the representation is there. So this is equals to what we have, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on, n minus r plus 1 into n minus r minus 1 and so on, 3 into 2. As per the represented set, 1 also taken, if you are not taken, same result will be. But if it is 0 factorial, the definition itself 0 factorial value is equals to 1. It is defined like that. If n is not equal to 0, like this, actually factorial will be defined like this. N factorial is equals to n into n minus 1 into and so on, 3 into 2 into 1, if n is not equals to 0. And here it should be a negative numbers ko nahi hoga, only positive numbers ko hoga. And if it is 0, 1 ho jayega, if n is equals to 0. This is the original definition itself. Sir, 0 factorial बोले तो 0 onwards लेके आना है, 0 onwards ले लिया तो 0 is into something आएगा. No, 0 factorial value is 1. It is defined. Definition is itself like that. Okay. So this is factorial. I think so factorial you understood, and with the help of the factorial, very interesting problems will be there. Now let us see here. Exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2 में the first question is given to you, asking to you to evaluate 8 factorial. I think so you can do it. First bit में 8 into 7 into multiply करना है. So I think it is not that much necessary. 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. Second problem. Here most of the students will do the wrong. 4 minus 3, 1 है ना 1 factorial लिखता है. No, that is wrong. You are not supposed to write like that. Okay. So what you have to write here? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 3 is 12, 12 is 24 minus 3 2 is 6. 24 minus 6. How much? 18. So the final answer is 8.
18.
So very simple problems are there in this. It is not essential to you to explain. So the third question is given that it is asking you to say that is it 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is equals to 7 factorial? No. नहीं होगा.
ना सर, नहीं होगा.
हाँ तो चेक करो, चाहे तो चेक कर सकते हैं. LHS separate ले लो. 3 factorial plus 4 factorial. 3 factorial value 6 होगा. So if you want to write, then you can write 3 into 4 into 1 plus 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is 6.
सर 30 आता है.
This is 30. And 7 factorial, wherever you take 7 into 6 into, इधर itself 42 आया. So बहुत बड़ा number. So that is not equal to the 30. Isn't it? समझ में आया? हाँ.
सर मेरा एक डाउट था, अगर हमें कभी फैक्टोरियल का डिवाइड करना हो और बहुत बड़ा नंबर दिया हो, जैसे कि सर 55 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइडेड बाय 50 फैक्टोरियल, तब हम कैसे करेंगे? मतलब
I will tell you. See, 55 factorial by 50 factorial value. This can be written as 55 into 54 into 53 into 52 into 51 into 50 factorial लिख सकते हैं. इसके बाद तो 50 into 49 into वो आएगा. And denominator 50.
ओ हाँ,
ये दोनों cancel. Same value.
अच्छा.
So then after ये इसका तो multiply करना है, but if you are not multiplying, according to my view, don't multiply and give the answer like that only. And in your examination like that, it will not be asked to you like that. Now you are going to explain the third problem based on that only. See here, 8 factorial by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. ये value asking you. 8 factorial completely मत लिखो, लिख सकते हैं, it's not. 8 into 7 into 6 factorial लिखो. डिनोमिनेटर में 6 फैक्टोरियल, ये 2 फैक्टोरियल वाली 2 into 1 तो ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गए. ये क्या है? 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. ये भी 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1. If you expand also, you are going to get cancelled. समझ में आया? So what you are getting for the 2 4s, the 7 4s, 28. 28 is the answer. Fourth problem is different. Fourth and fifth problems different. Okay, so these two let us see. बाकी सब तो it is not that much different. It is very easy. Okay, so now here if you are taking into consider what is given here, 1 by 6 factorial, sorry, 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial is equals to x by 8 factorial and asking you to find out the x value. So 1 by 6, ये दोनों का LCM करना है. What is the LCM of 6 factorial? I am asking the question to you. What is the LCM of 6 factorial and 7 factorial? Can anyone say?
6 factorial into 7, sir.
No, into नहीं करना है. 6 factorial. 6 factorial is nothing but I will ask you one question. What is the LCM of 4 and 12?
LCM सर 6 factorial होगा.
So what is the LCM?
Least common multiple of 6 factorial and 7 factorial.
सेवन होगा सर.
हाँ?
7.
7 नहीं है, 7 factorial.
हाँ 7 factorial, हाँ 7 factorial.
Why? Because this is multiple of this one. 7 factorial is a multiple of 6 factorial. Because 7 factorial में 7 into 6 factorial.
हाँ 6 factorial 7 factorial के अंदर आता है.
हाँ. So that's why. Suppose I am asking what is the LCM of 4 and 12. If I am asking what is the LCM of 4 and 20. 20 बोलते हैं ना.
हाँ.
दोनों को कॉमन मल्टीपल 20 बोलते हैं. The same way ये दोनों का LCM if you are taking into consider that is 7 factorial. दोनों का LCM करने तो 7 factorial. इधर ऑलरेडी 6 factorial है. न्यूमरेटर में क्या आएगा? 7 आएगा. ओके. इधर न्यूमरेटर में 1 आएगा. So x by 8 factorial. This 8 factorial can I write as a 8 into 7 factorial? Can I write?
64 होगा आंसर।
आंसर 64 होगा। ये 7 factorial कैंसिल होगा। इधर 8 होगा, ये 8 इधर लेके आओ। So x is equals to 64. इतना ये समझ में आया?
यस सर।
हाँ? Next.
हाँ सर।
Next.
सर थोड़ा ब्लर दिखाई दे रहा है।
For all.
सर वो
नहीं सर।
मेरे नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम की वजह से है।
हमारा ठीक है।
होगा। So I'm asking you to evaluate n factorial by n minus r factorial. What is this? N factorial by n minus r factorial? It is NPR. N factorial by n minus r factorial is NPR. But it is asking you to evaluate this. N is equals to 6, r is equals to 2 लिया। उसमें substitute करना है। What to do है? 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 factorial. So 6 factorial by 4 factorial. 6 factorial का क्या होगा? 6 into 5 into 4 factorial by 4 factorial. 4 can get cancelled. That is the answer. Okay? समझ में आया? So we are going to learn
हाँ सर।
next
Easy
when the
था।
NPR and n to the power of r permutations, originally permutations क्या है, and permutations, what is permutation, permutation definition, and permutations when the repetition is allowed, when the repetition is not allowed, when the given n items में repeated items are there, what to do, different conditions में क्या है, suppose mathematics word is there, how many ways you can arrange the letters of the word mathematics. So such
हाँ सर।
very interesting things will be there in the next class, so don't miss the next class.
फिर डिक्शनरी में कौन सा